Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Monday, August the 9th, 2010. Let's do it. Okay, let's start off looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average today. It was up 45 points. Not a lot to add here today. There was not a lot of market activity. Tight trading range for the day. Very, very low volume. Nothing inspiring whatsoever. Basically, everyone's just kind of waiting to trade the news from the Fed. And if you're a day trader or very, very short-term trader, that may, make sense to you. I'm a swing trader. That's what we do here. So for us, it's look for situations that are overextended. We have that, and then look for short opportunities and be selective, of course, but that's our plan, our game plan here, is because we're not looking at the current move, we're looking at what's coming next. And we pointed out Friday, you've got a lot of signs signaling a weakening trend, a weakening uptrend, and this and that. So you're looking for the peak there, and that makes perfect sense. Now, none of this is actually new. We've seen all this before. Get out the old tools. That's not a tool, that's a brick. Okay, you've had this move before back here, and you got up here at about this line and here, and it was an easy short. Yes, it continued to move higher, but it would be all erased, and you would have known that had you monitored one indicator. You only needed to know one back then, and that was the RSI. Let me show you what that looks like. Scroll on down. Okay, move on down a little bit lower. There you go. The RSI indicator, once it becomes overbought, which is above 70 or at 70 or higher, it's telling you the overall markets are extremely overbought, and you need to pay attention to that. And what happens when it stays up there, all right, like this, here, whenever the selling starts, it erases all of it. Every trade that happened up here gets erased, and you're right there, 64.47. So you're just a blip away from hitting the 70 line, and anything up there is just going to be really, really easy, okay? We just have signal after signal after signal telling us the same thing. Bulls cannot win here, cannot sustain this rally. So, though I'm not arguing that they can't bounce higher on Fed news or whatever, they can't sustain it. And you're being told the same thing by the fact that you're overbought on the slow stotch, okay, up in that area. You've also got gap below it's got to fill, another gap down here it's got to fill, no gap above you, low volume, rally to the upside. Let's find another one here. You've also got the overextension without a pullback, without a substantial pullback, and no tested low. Every time you've tested the low, you break down. So there's nothing new here going on. This is the same thing we've already traded back here. You're getting another chance to do it again if you didn't take advantage of the previous one. Okay, all the same thing. The difference is, and there's always a difference, this time around when you sell off, you're not going to have the fail-safe of second quarter earnings to bounce you back up. This time around, we knew going down here, okay, we're coming close to second quarter earnings. We expect that news is going to be positive compared to the previous year. It's going to cause a little bounce. We expected all that, wrote about it on our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. This time around, when the selling starts, you won't have that. In fact, if you count on third quarter or fourth quarter earnings, you're going to be disappointed. That's what everyone expected anyway. So the selling will have a lot more motivation at that time period. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, there's a lot of stuff out there that's not in favor of bulls at all, and that needs to be something you're paying attention to. Okay, also keep your mind on the news, major news. You got an increased tension in North and South Korea, Venezuela looking for more debt, different things of that nature. Okay, and none of them are bullish. So again, though I do agree, you could see a blip to the upside. There's always that potential. I don't try to call it exact peak. You cannot sustain it. Okay, so the markets are going nowhere fast. Would just be 100% safe and trade what is known, and that is this will get filled, this will get filled. We have a low volume situation. We're overextended. You need a pullback. Okay, very simple. And watch that RSI line. Definitely important there. Keep an eye on that. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's 100% free. All we ask in return, refer a friend. I'm not going to go over other markets today. Like I said, not a lot happened today. So if you want to see other markets, either go to our website where we keep all the market charts there. They're 100% free. They're updated every day. You can see my notes there, or watch previous video from Friday where I go over a couple more markets. Okay, awesome. A quick look at our disclaimer. Okay, you guys read the disclaimer, and I'll give you guys some updates. First off, we took our very first swing trade in our live trading room today. We'll be doing that all week, picking out a few here and there for the next couple of weeks for our swing trade challenge there. So if you're interested in joining us for that, just go to our website, learn about it there. Pretty cool. We still got a little bit of space available for anybody who wants to join us, but it's first come, first serve. We can only hold 200 people. Okay, that's cool. And what else? Oh, I'm like this close. We're like 5 people away from breaking 2,200 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So if you're thinking about subscribing to our YouTube channel, we'd appreciate that support. It helps us stay free, and you want us to stay free. Okay? Okay. And that's about it. God bless. Enjoy the evening. I'll see you all tomorrow.